common difference, second term minus first term, or difference between consecutive terms. What is Sn? Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today I'll go ahead with the problems of arithmetic progression. So exercise 9.2. Find the sum of n terms of AP whose kth term is 5k plus 1. So they want sum of n terms, they give kth term. Means they have given AK. AK is equal to 5k plus 1. This is given. So now in the place of k, if you assume 1, you will get first term. A1. A1 is 5 into 1 plus 1. That is 6. 5 ones are 5 plus 1. A1, first term you got. First term is called as A1 or A. And go to A2. We can also find A2. What is A2? In the place of k, put 2. 5 into 2 plus 1, that is 10 plus 1, that is 11. So now we got A2. It goes on. We need two terms. So we can find common difference. What is common difference? A2 minus A1. So what is A2 we got? 11 minus, what is A1 we got? 6. 11 minus 6 gives you 5. Now you got common difference. Because they want you to find sum of n terms. You know the formula for sum of n terms. What is Sn? Sn is equal to, in AP it is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula for what? Sum of n terms in AP. Now we got the value of a. What is the value of a? A means a1. A1 is first term, that is 6. So it will become n by 2 into 2 times 6 plus n minus 1 into common difference. What is the common difference? Second term minus first term, that is 5. 5. That is n by 2 into 2 6 are 12 plus 5 into n is 5n minus 5 ones are 5. Further, this is n by 2 into 5n, I'll write as it is, 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is what? Positive 7. This is the value of what? Sn. They want Sn, sum of n terms is n by 2 into 5n plus 7. So we got this using the formula Sn. What is Sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here they give a kth term. Kth term means ak is given. What is ak? 5k plus 1. In the place of k, if you put 1, you will get a1 first term. In the place of k, if you put 2, in this formula, you will get a2. After you get a2, all of you know what is common difference. Second term minus first term, or difference between consecutive terms. So a2 minus a1, 11 minus 6 gives you 5. Once you know common difference and first term, you can use sum of n terms formula. What is sum of n terms in AP? Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute for a. What is a we got? 6. 2 into 6 plus n minus 1 into d. What is d? 5. So 5. So it will become 5 into n, 5n minus 5. 12 minus 5 gives you 7. So 5n plus 7. N by 2 into 5n plus 7 is the sum of n terms. Now, if the sum of n terms of AP is Pn plus Qn square, where P and Q are constants, find the common difference. See, they give sum of n terms, they want common difference. Interesting. So given sum of n terms, they gave sum of n terms, means they gave Sn. What is Sn they gave? Pn plus Qn square, whatever is given in the question I wrote. Now I'll find sum of one term. Sum of one term means it is first term. S1. S1 is, in the place of n put 1, P into 1 plus Q into 1 square. That becomes S1, sum of one term or the first term is P plus Q. This itself is A or A1. Then they give sum of, you can also find sum of two terms, S2. In the place of n put 2, P into 2 plus Q into n square means 2 square. In this formula, in the formula of Sn, what is the Sn we got? This is Sn given. Sn is Pn plus Qn square. So once you put n as 1, you will get sum of one term or first term. Sum of second term, S2. What is S2? 2P plus 2 square is 4, 4Q. Sum of S2 you got. Now you have S1 with you, you have S2 with you. Now going ahead, S1 is equal to P plus Q you got. S1 means A1. is P plus Q. S2 is what? What is S2 you got? 2P plus 4Q. 2P plus 4Q. So all of you know S2 means sum of two terms, A1 plus A2. A1 plus A2 is 2P plus 4Q. Now I'll write one under the other and I'll subtract. See, I have A1 is P plus Q, and I have A1 plus A2. A1 plus A2 is how much? That is 2P plus 4Q. Now subtracting these two will get the required value. Now if I subtract, so I call this as equation 2 and 3. 3 minus 2 if I do, then LHS becomes A1 plus A2 minus A1. RHS becomes 2P plus 4Q minus P minus Q, or minus of P plus Q. So here A1 minus A1 cancels. A2 value will get, that is 2P plus 4P minus P minus Q. So A2 you will get, what is A2? 2P minus P is P. 4P minus 4Q minus Q is 3Q. So you got A2 value also. What is A2 you got? P plus 3Q. P plus 3Q. Or see, instead of doing so much, other ways, A1 plus A2 is 2P plus Q. A1 value you have put it. A1 is what? P plus Q. P plus Q is plus A2 is equal to 2P plus Q, 4Q. Now we need A2. Transfer these two terms to RHS. A2 is 2P plus 4Q minus P minus Q. Again you will get A2 same, that is 2P minus P is P, 4Q minus Q is 3Q. This is other method. Means A1 plus A2 is 2P plus Q. In the place of A1 I put the value of A1. A1 means S1. So P plus 3Q you got. So A1 is P plus Q. Now you got A2 also. A2 is what? P plus 3Q. So now we need a common difference. Common difference is what? A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1 means P plus 3Q minus P plus Q. So now expand this, so it will become P plus 3Q minus P minus Q. P minus P cancels. 3Q minus Q gives you 2Q. So you got the common difference is 2Q. They want you to find what? Common difference. We got it. So two methods to solve this we have done. And other method, or the alternate method also I taught you, where you can substitute A1 plus A2. So dear students, problem 8 is simple and direct. So now without more steps we can do it. They give Sn value. What is Sn value? Pn plus Qn square. So what is S1? In the place of n, if you put 1, it will become P1 plus Q1 square. And you know S1 means sum of one term, it is A1 directly. A1 is P plus Q. P into 1 is P, Q into 1 is Q. We got this. Now they give sum of two terms. S2 means in the place of n put 2. So it will become P into 2 plus Q into 2 square. So that is S2 is also written as A1 plus A2. S2 means sum of two terms. So this is 2P plus 4Q. Now in the place of A1 substitute the value of A1. What is the value of A1? You got P plus Q. So in the place of A1 put P plus Q. So it will become P plus Q plus A2 is equal to 2P plus 4Q. Rearrange. So you will get A2 is equal to 2P plus 4Q minus P minus Q. So in one step you will get A2. What is A2? A2 is P. 2P minus P is P plus 4Q minus Q is 3Q. Now common difference. So you got A2 value also. Common difference is A2 minus A1. That is P plus 3Q minus P plus Q. When you subtract PP cancels, it will be 2Q. So here what I have done, S2, A1 plus A2. A1 means S1. Substitute it and rearrange, you will get A2. Common difference is what? Difference between two consecutive terms. That is A2 minus A1. Any method is fine. Then the sum of first P terms of an AP is equal to sum of first Q terms. Then find the sum of P plus Q terms. Interesting. What is given? They have given sum of P terms in an AP is equal to sum of Q terms. And what they want you to find? They are asking you to find sum of P plus Q terms. This is the question. S of P plus Q they want. So to find this, you should know Sn. What is Sn? Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So use the summation of n terms. Summation of n terms in AP is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into common difference. So they gave SP is equal to SQ. Sum of P terms is equal to sum of Q terms. What is sum of P terms? N by 2 means in the place of n I have P by 2 into 2a plus P minus 1 into common difference is equal to SQ. What is SQ? Sum of Q terms. Q by 2 into 2a plus Q minus 1 into common difference. Now I can cancel 2 and 2. Simplify this, I'll get 2pa plus, multiply this, it will become pd, p square d, p square minus p into d is equal to, multiply this, it will become 2qa plus q into q is q square minus q into d. Now bring all terms to LHS. So transfer, so it will become 2pa minus 2qa plus p square minus p into d minus q square minus q into d is equal to 0. Now further in these two you can take out 2pa common. If you take 2a common, if you take 2a common in LHS, we will be left out with p minus q. Then in this d, if you take common, so I'll take my one term is plus, okay, d I'll take common. If I take d common, I'm left out with p square minus p, then minus q square minus q, whole thing into d is equal to 0. Now 2a into p minus q plus this plus sign, you know, p square minus p, open the brackets, minus q square, minus into minus plus q into d equal to 0. Further I'll write it as 2a into p minus q plus, I'll group p square and q square, p square minus q square. I'll take minus common in these two. If I take minus common, this will become positive, this will become negative. I'm grouping the terms. And now 2a into, I could see p minus q. So that's why I'll write this as p square minus q square can be written as p minus q into p plus q. P minus q into what? P plus q. Minus we have again p minus q into what? D. Again in these two, here you have p minus q, here you have p minus q. You can take p minus q common. 2a into p minus q plus, you take p minus q common. If you take p minus q common, you are left out with p plus q, and this whole term is out, so minus 1 into what? D is equal to 0. Further observe, here I have p minus q, here I have p minus q. Take p minus q common, take p minus q common. If you take p minus q common, I am left out with 2a plus p minus q is out, p plus q minus 1, p plus q minus 1 is equal to 0. Right side we have 0. See now here p and q are not same, so p minus q cannot be 0. So because since p not equal to q, therefore the second part 2a plus, I'll write p plus q minus 1, I'll write this is 0. Call this as equation 1. Now we got an intermediate result which is very much required, but they don't want you to prove this. They want sum of p q terms. So they want sp plus q, sum of p plus q. What is s of p plus q? P plus q by 2, Sn formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means p plus q minus 1, thus p plus q minus 1 into d is equal to, we need this, so p plus q by 2, we don't know the value, but 2a plus p plus q minus 1, just now we got it is 0. This is 0. 0 into anything is 0. The sum of p plus q terms, they want sum of p plus q terms is 0. Because here I'll get 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d. Just now we got 2a plus p plus q into d, sorry. This is into d is equal to what? 0. 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d after you take common is equal to what? 0. So in sum of p plus q terms also we got 0. So here simple, we got first 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into common difference is equal to 0. They want sum of p plus q terms. Sum of p plus q terms is what? P plus q by 2 into 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into difference. But you know this part, this is equation. So sorry, this equation I named it as 1. So this from equation 1, I can write the value pq plus 2. This whole thing is what? 0. So instead of this whole thing, I can put 0. Anything into 0 becomes 0. So therefore, sum of p plus q terms they wanted, sum of p plus q terms is exactly 0. So one of the interesting questions, so sum of p terms is equal to sum of q terms they gave, and use the formula repeatedly, that is Sn. Sum of n terms is what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula we used and we arrived at the result. So I hope all of you understood this. So I'll do some more problems in my next session. Please revise all these things and attend my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.